to.
Hey guys, so today I'll be doing a squishy package, and yeah, I kind of opened the package before starting the video. I was really excited that it came, but yes, the package is right down here, right there. I was super excited. So yeah, here's a fish squishy. Feels so soft. Here it is. First squishy. First squishy. First squishy is getting closer. That's the peak. It's a baby bottle. It comes with a little like strain thingy. Okay. It does have a little defect, but that's fine. I'm not caring about defects right now. Super squishy. So yeah, the next one. Stay over there. Next one is a jumbo. Can't wait to show you guys. Here it is. Wait, I'm gonna sneak it in here. Ready, set, go. Oh, it's a jumbo strawberry. I really don't care about the defects right now, but that's fine. But oh, sorry. Wait, don't on my dress, no. Okay. So yeah, guys, you can squish that one because I already showed it. Yeah, guys. Ooh, stop it, rising. I really don't care about the Let me fix the camera. I really don't care about the defects right now. The third squishy that I got is show one. No, I like it at this angle. It's a nice angle. Wait, I'm trying to put it in an angle that.
Yeah, I hate like these kind of iPads. Like they just whatever.
Here's the third squishy. It's a jumbo peach.
It's literally the size of my hand compared to this girl's hand.
I can't even put my whole.
It does have 2 leaves, which I think that means like it's a replica or a non-repro one or a repro. But I mean, still, like guys, this squishy is so squishy, and they are all slow rising.
But this, I don't think the baby bottle's that slow rising.
And has a big old defect.
But right now it's fine. We're not caring about defects. But yeah, it's fine. It's really fine. Her face. It's really fine that the things have defects. It's
They
fine.
do have scents though.
Yeah, this one smells so good.
It does have the peach scent, but in the picture when we ordered it, she said that it was gonna come in packaging. This one and this one that we're gonna come in
like
packaging.
in the original packaging.
Not this one. She said this one was not gonna come in packaging.
But here's the
Or
box.
any
The
packaging.
box is right here. I'm not trying to show but my address is on right here.
She did give us like a little
cute notes, but I don't think she wrote. What is it?
it's not this one.
I think I put random paper.
Oh, you put it over here. She put only the invoice. She forgot to put a note, I'm guessing, because look, here's an invoice. And there is a video on my channel about this whole thing, but she's just redoing the package.
Yeah. But yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed. But I will be getting in the upcoming, like next year in January, I will be getting
Another squishy package.
more squishy packages. So I can't wait for those, and I hope you guys go watch that video. So bye, guys.
This smells like
Go
chocolate.
check out my vlog. I think I'm about to make a vlog, maybe. Don't know. Maybe. I might not. But if you guys see a vlog uploading, then you guys will sure see me vlogging. So vlogging. So bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed the squishy packages. My other squishy packages will be coming in January. Bye, guys. Love you. Comment down below. Push that subscribe button for me, please. And the vlog today is going to be interesting. Let me tell you a little peek. We're gonna be getting presents, gift exchange. That's all. A little peek.
We basically already told you what we're doing.
Yeah. But you don't know where we're going. So
We are going.
bye guys, thank you, subscribing.
Danville.
Oh my god. But they don't know what house we're going to. Don't say. If you say anything, people are gonna stalk us. And then they're gonna follow us.
Our friend's house.
Yeah, we're going to our friend's house. But
Victoria's house.
shut up and stop giving more info. Bye guys. Go subscribe and comment down below. Hope you enjoy. Bye.
Her name's Viviana.
Can you shut up now? Bye guys.